Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of a new makeup box subscription brand that I am working with, not only on my YouTube channel but also on the launch of my Social Management website. We've teamed up together and I've done some social media stuff for them to help launch my website, which is really exciting, but also I wanted to feature them on my YouTube channel. Without further ado, this is the brand. It is a brand called Roccabox. You might have seen them on my Instagram. If you do follow my Social Management account, I have put some stories up about them. I'm collaborating with them on a video for my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of their limited edition boxes. They do monthly subscription boxes which are smaller that you can get for £10 a month, and they basically include makeup but mostly full-size products, which is something that I really love about Roccabox. You don't get all of those rubbish like foil samples that you can get in other subscription boxes. One of the limited edition boxes are £35 instead of £10. Yeah, they're a little bit different. They're a lot bigger boxes, so you do tend to get more products in, and bigger products at that. My box doesn't just include makeup, it has a few kind of lifestyle homey bits in as well, which is great. I have actually used all of the products that I have received in the limited edition box, and also some of the products I received in my March box, to create this makeup on my face today. You will see little snippets of that throughout the video. I am super happy with the makeup that I got from using the products that I received in my Roccabox. It's actually really nice. So this is the limited edition box. It comes in a lot bigger box than just their regular monthly subscriptions, and it has a little bow on it, so we'll open it. It doesn't look as neat as what it did when it arrived. It was honestly beautiful, but I've taken some of the pink kind of paper out so that it's not so messy in this video. But this is what it looks like. We just have all the products and we've got a little card explaining everything. On the bottom it just has all of the products that you receive in the box and a little explanation about them. The first product that I received is this jojoba oil. I think that's how you say it. Some people say jojoba oil, but I think it's jojoba. I think it's a silent J. 100% pure jojoba oil, made in England. It's by a brand called, I'm gonna get this so wrong, SANATIO NATURALIS. Anyway, I love the packaging. I love the box. I think it's so nice. It's white and it's got this mint green, and you just lift up the lid and your oil is inside. It's just amazing because you don't get full-size products in subscription boxes nowadays, and £35 for all of the things that are in this box is crazy. This is 50 mils of oil, and anyone who uses oil will know that you don't actually need a lot, so this is going to last a very long time. I like to use oils every single day in my skincare routine, morning and night, and also I drop it into my foundation, which is what I did today. I mixed my foundation with a few drops of this oil and buffed it all around my skin. What they say about it in the description is, what's interesting about this is that jojoba has a molecular, is that how you say it? It's like molecules but molecular, don't know, structure similar to the skin's natural sebum, which makes it an excellent moisturiser. It is also naturally antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory. That's really nice to know actually. Which makes it a natural treatment for acne and eczema. Wow! Did not know that. That's really good, because sometimes I feel a little bit iffy putting oil on my skin in my skincare when I've got breakouts, because I don't want to feed the breakouts more oil. But that's so good to know. It's an antiseptic and antibacterial, wow. As well as all that, this oil will stimulate collagen production and fight wrinkles. Wow. The next is a contour palette from Lord & Berry. I've tried Lord & Berry products before and I do actually really like them. All of their products are not tested on animals, which is great. This one includes a highlighter powder, a bronzer, cream concealer, a sculpt cream to powder foundation. Ooh, interesting. A deep contour and a blusher. I did use it, obviously, to do my makeup. First of all, I used their concealer. This is in the shade number 3 and it actually matched me really well. I used this underneath my eyes and on any blemishes that I had on my skin. I didn't end up using this what they call light contour, but I think is actually foundation anyway, so I might try that another day. I then just went in with the cream deep contour, and I used this once I'd put on my foundation and concealer to obviously contour. I used it on my cheekbones, up around my temples and on my jawline, and then powdered a little bit and applied some bronzer. This is their powder bronzer. This one isn't fully matte, it's kind of got a sheen to it. It is a little bit shimmery, but not to the point where it literally just looks like glitter on your cheeks. It's just kind of given a really nice sheen to my skin. So I actually did really like that bronzer. I didn't use the cream blush, however, just because I didn't want to go for any kind of pinky tones on my skin today. I wanted to keep it very bronzy and very neutral, so I didn't use that one. But I did use their highlighter, which they call their brightener, and this reminds me of a lot of NARS Albatross highlighter, if you've ever tried that. It looks white in the pan, doesn't come out white, it's very sheer, but it has a gold reflex in it, which is beautiful, and you'll be able to see on my skin, I'm sure, but it's just, it was like bam. This is such a good palette to take away and travel with because it is so thin. Really liked the way that it came out on my skin today. And what they said about this is the ultimate kit for makeup junkie. This new palette contains 3 professional highlighting products, 2 contouring shades for different skin tones, and 1 blush to complement each. Use this pro product to sculpt, define and highlight your features and nail contouring once and for all. The next product is a brand that I haven't heard of. I believe they are called Show Beauty, maybe from their Premier range, but it's a dry shampoo. I have multiple different dry shampoos and I just put one in my car, have one at my boyfriend's house, have one here in my bathroom. If I ever get caught with bad hair, dry shampoo just fixes everything. It's a little bit different. The packaging, for one, is really pretty. It's got kind of like this faux glass effect on top. The product itself, oh, it smells like an actual perfume. It's crazy. I feel like this is something that even if your hair wasn't that dirty, you'd want to put in it anyway, just if you were going out to make your hair kind of smell nice. You know, when you brush past people or when you hair flick someone and they can get a whiff of your hair. I feel like this is such a good product for that. But yeah, when I put it in my hair, it felt really, really nice. It didn't give any build up in my hair because my hair is actually freshly washed, but I decided to put it in anyway just to see if there was kind of, you know, that white powder, the dreaded white powder in dry shampoo. It doesn't. It's completely clear, which is amazing. It just made my hair smell nice. It was really, really good, and I didn't need to absorb any oil, so I don't know about that, if it was any good doing that, but it for sure made my hair smell amazing. What Roccabox say about this is, what do you get when you take a traditionally unglamorous product, yes, dry shampoo, we mean you, very true, and inject it with a serious dollop of glamour, luxe and opulence? Tamara Ecclestone, she of Glossy Perfect Blow Dry fame, I didn't know it was Tamara Ecclestone, is the brains behind this brand, so it's hardly surprising that this dry shampoo A, works, B, works really well, and C, smells like a designer perfume. I said it smells incredible. The last beauty product is this, which is from a brand called the Salt Parlour, and I've never heard of this brand, but it looks really lovely. It's made in the UK. It's their Rose and Shea Butter Calm Salt and Sulphur Scrub, and this is the mini tin. It looks amazing. It's got rose petals in, I swear. I am not a fan of rose at all. I really don't like some rose smells, but this, I think it must be because it's got shea butter in it. It's just not so like potent and feels really like it's got an oil to it. I don't like scrubs that just really scrub at your skin and dry it out, and this feels like it would be really moisturising. Mineral rich Dead Sea salt, pink Himalayan salt and rose oil. That explains the oily texture. The addition of fragrant air-dried organic rose petals, I knew there was rose petals in there, will leave you feeling relaxed and tension-free and will transform your bath into a spa-like ritual. The second to last item that was in my box was this little notebook, and this is a marble notebook. Obviously marble is very in at the moment. It's a plain page notebook, which I really appreciate because I'm more of a chuck everything on a page kind of spider diagram girl more than like lines. It's by the brand Coconut Lane London, and I have actually seen their Instagram. So yeah, I was pretty excited to see that one of their notebooks was in there. Also came with this little card that says stay classy, sassy and a bit badassy. Okay, maybe it's, you know, the way I pronounce classy, but I'd say classy. But I think in this context I need to say classy, because then it goes with sassy and badassy. Otherwise it just sounds funny. Classy, sassy and a bit badassy. Maybe not. This notebook is as sassy as you are. Use it as your gratitude journal. Jot down exactly how you're going to nail that startup business. How relevant. Or just use it to write your Topshop list. Could be relevant also. The last item in my box was probably the item that I was most looking forward to seeing. It is a pouch by designer Katie Loxton, and this one is just a purple kind of iridescent lilac, and it says "Hey Beautiful," which will be perfect to put kind of makeup in. It's got gold hardware, it's grey inside, which is really lovely, but I was super excited to get this. When I was speaking to the owner of Roccabox, Tia, and she sent me a preview of what was going to be in this limited edition box, I couldn't honestly believe that Katie Loxton was in the box. This is stocked in John Lewis, and my boyfriend's mum actually introduced me to this brand. She got me one of their black pouches, which I used as kind of like a clutch for maybe Christmas a couple of years ago. For my birthday, she got me a handbag but attached a Katie Loxton keyring to it. I absolutely love. I just really love Katie Loxton's brand. They're beautiful, and they do stock in John Lewis if you wanted to go and see the kind of products that they have. Yeah, I couldn't believe it when I saw that it was in this box, and I absolutely love it. They're such good quality pouches. I'm probably going to use this one for makeup bits and things, just to chuck in my handbag. I am one of those people that like to divide everything into pouches so that I have everything organised. The description for this is: keep your makeup and must-haves in this stunning personalised pouch for a constant reminder of how freaking fab you are. Aww. Their tone of voice with their brand is so awesome. It's just very kind of pally, you know, friendly. That is all the products that were in this limited edition box, meaning that it is the end of my video. Make sure that you go and check out Roccabox's Instagram and their website. Obviously they have the monthly subscriptions and they have the limited edition. I'll leave the links to both of them down below, their website, their Instagram, all of their social media platforms, so that you can go and have a look over there. Honestly, hand on heart, I truly really love this makeup subscription box brand. They are lovely, lovely people, made in the UK, and they stock such amazing products. You can see that they really do take care in the products that they put in their boxes. They don't give you foil packets, they don't give you little sample perfume testers. They give you full-size products, and for that I love them, because it makes you feel better about spending £10 a month and getting full-size makeup products. I think that is an absolute bargain. If you want to just treat yourself, or if you have a friend's birthday coming up and you're unsure on what to get them, this is a perfect little gift. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Sunday for another.